Yo, editing videos is the biggest challenge to us new creators. But there are two best editing apps I use to editing my YouTube content, my TikTok videos. Easy to use, it's for free. That's nobody on YouTube told you about. Yo, if you're new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. If this type of video you are looking for, please hit the like button. And let me know in comment down below what type of editing apps you use to editing your videos. You know what I'm saying? What type of editing mobile apps you have on your mobile phone right now? Let me know in comment section. And look, man, these two editing apps are InShot and VN. Let me know in comment down below if you have one of them. It's I love these two apps. InShot and VN is super cool. It's easy to use and easy to understand, man, and it's fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna mention what I learned on those two apps. You know what I'm saying? That is stuff is missing in InShot. That is stuff is missing in InShot. I mean that is stuff I love. That is stuff is available in InShot which is not available in VN. That is stuff in VN which is not available in InShot. Look, what I love about InShot is there are something called details while you are editing your video. If there is something you want to add in your video so that your viewer is not gonna able to see, you know what I'm saying? For example, it's password or code or your email, you want to add it behind, you know what I'm saying? It's called detail. You can just tap that detail so that you can hide that shit. It's so dope, you know what I'm saying? It's going to secure you some stuff. And the next thing I love about InShot is material. This material is there are a lot of free footage, you know what I'm saying? Intro footage and free outro footage, transition, green screen, and this hell stuff, man, over there is so dope, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna see some more when you download the apps or when you start using the app. The final one is sound effects. There's a lot of sound effects in InShot. There's a lot of beautiful, some hilarious stuff, sound effects, and some funny sound effects, and some scare sound effects, which is super dope for editing your videos. If you are editing your video, man, it's fun, man. So which those sound effects is that it's not available in BN apps. So let me show you also what are the stuff that is available in VN app which is not available in InShot apps. So the only thing that is missing in InShot, the only thing that is available in VN which is not available in InShot is called Soundwave. Soundwave is in VN apps you will see your Soundwave while editing your video so that you can cut the dead air. You know what I'm saying? Which is very important. Dead air is very important, so you will be able to cut those dead air so that you'll. If you don't cut the dead air, so the dead air will keep your video long minute. So we're not trying to do that. I love to cut those dead air so that my viewer will enjoy what I'm trying to tell them, the information I have. You know what I'm saying? In both apps there is free music, there is zoom in, zoom out. You can do a lot of stuff with that. There's free animation, there's a free filter, you can speed up your video, you can do bunch of stuff over there. You know what I'm saying? It's fun, man. When you learn to handle those apps, one of these apps, man, you're gonna love it. You're gonna thank me later. Trust me. I will leave the link in description down below. Go and download any one of these apps, or download both of them and teach yourself how to use those two apps. So guys, this is all. Let me know in comment down below if you have this one of these apps, and there is something you don't understand in the app, so you would like me to make a video about. Let me know in comment down below. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. See you on next video.